Ready to turn one-time customers into loyal subscribers and boost your revenue on Shopify? First, head over to the Shopify App Store. You can find this directly within your Shopify admin panel by clicking on Apps, then searching for Apps. In the search bar, type in Subscriptions. You'll see a variety of apps that offer subscription functionality, each with different features and pricing. Take some time to browse through the options. Popular choices include Bold subscriptions, Recharge, and Upsell subscriptions, but there are many others. Consider what features are important to you, such as customer portal customization, dunning management, and integration with other apps you already use. Read the reviews to get a sense of other merchants' experiences. Once you've found an app that suits your needs, click on it and then click the Install button. You'll be prompted to grant the app certain permissions. Review these carefully and click Install App to proceed. After installation, the subscription app will typically guide you through a setup wizard. This usually involves connecting your payment gateway, configuring your subscription plans, and setting up your product offerings. Now, it's time to add subscriptions to your products in the app. You'll create subscription plans, defining the billing frequency, discounts, and other options. Then, you'll link these plans to your existing Shopify products. Customers will now see the option to subscribe instead of just making a one-time purchase. Finally, learn how to manage your subscriptions. The app's dashboard will allow you to track subscriber data, manage billing cycles, handle failed payments, and analyze the performance of your subscription program. Regularly monitor these metrics to optimize your subscription offerings and maximize customer retention. Now you are all set up to start earning recurring revenue with your Shopify store.